You know how people do videos about the 10 things they like about this country, the 10 things they dislike about this country? I watch those videos from time to time. And after about the third thing, I kind of get bored of it. So I wanted to keep this sweet and simple to the point. There were a lot of things that I thoroughly enjoy about Latin America. But one thing that I really dislike is that as soon as the light changes green, people start blowing their horns in their car. I mean, as soon as the light turns green, there's horn blowing. And, you know, it's a small thing, but noise pollution is really a big thing, especially when you're in a city. It can be make or break if you always constantly have to hear horns. And you know what country I'm talking about. As soon as the light turns green, it's horns. It doesn't take away from the overall big picture of how great the countries are. But it's just one of those annoying things where I think people have to give space and grace. Hey, wait at least 5 seconds. If the vehicle hasn't moved because they're in bumper-to-bumper traffic, it's no sense blowing your horn. You know, it'll be bumper-to-bumper traffic on these roads. And the light will change and they'll blow their horn. It's like, you know, the other car can't go because if they go, they're in the back of the next car. And the next car is in the back of the next car. I think it's just something that people do. They acknowledge that the light has changed. Because the lights in a lot of these countries are much faster and quicker. But yeah, I kind of found noise pollution annoying. The constant horn blowing. I was like, am I at the orchestra? It sounds like a symphony orchestra on the road all the time. I'm just saying. Anyway, that's one thing you have to deal with in a big city. Noise pollution. And we can all do better if we don't use our horns right. Less horns. Now I doubt that that's going to happen. But hey, I thought I would share my opinion.